Looking for ways to earn some extra cash from the comfort of your own home? Look no further. In this exciting video, I'll reveal the best-kept secrets to making money online through engaging activities like surveys, games, and other fun online tasks. Discover how you can turn your spare time into a lucrative side hustle and start earning real cash today. Say goodbye to boredom and hello to financial freedom. Don't miss out on this exciting opportunity. Watch now and unlock the potential to make money while having fun. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. I am always sharing new amazing and effective methods to make money online, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe. And would be great if you comment down below from which country you are watching this video, so I can create specific videos for your region. Now, let's get started. Don't let opportunities pass you by. Start earning money today. Grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and get ready to discover how you can turn everyday activities into a profitable venture with RedMonkey.app. RedMonkey is an innovative GPT platform that creates a remarkable opportunity for individuals worldwide to effortlessly earn money by engaging in various activities such as surveys, games, and other online tasks. Choose from the variety of tasks available on the Earn page. They offer top-notch offers from companies aiming to promote their apps, surveys, and products. The majority of offers are straightforward and have already generated income for thousands of individuals. These offers typically require approximately 5 to 10 minutes to complete. Upon successfully finishing each task, you will receive coins as a reward. Redeem your accumulated coins and obtain your well-deserved cash for free. Spin the Wheel, a daily bonus game on RedMonkey, is a terrific way to rack up some extra cash. You get a free spin here once a day with the chance to earn coins. In a matter of seconds, you have the chance to win up to $5. It's a simple method to rack up daily points, so if you're already on the platform, you might as well take use of it. Being an engaged member also affords you the opportunity to place on the daily scoreboard, where you can earn a few more points for your efforts. The amount of money you may make depends on numerous things, which include the country in which you live. It's possible to make $10 or $20 a day in some countries. RedMonkey provides a wide variety of payment methods. You may choose to be paid in crypto or via gift cards. Don't miss out on this chance to boost your income effortlessly. Join the thousands of people who have already discovered this incredible opportunity to make money online. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or simply looking for some extra income. In the end, if you liked this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, comment, and share. Your support matters. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this.